Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I'm gonna show you something. Today we're gonna be doing Varick Street again, but remember, you see here, this is the tunnel Holland that comes to Jersey to Manhattan, but on the other side is Varick Street, the regular street. But on this side you see another street. This one is Varick. So you got Varick 1 and Varick 2. So back there, between that lane here where the cars are coming, back there, Varick 1, lane 1, Varick 2, street number 2. So this is gonna be a short video, guys, because again, this is Varick Street, but on the other side it's another one on the east side, and this is the west side one. So on the west side is the second Varick Street. And right now we're gonna go, guys. It's very short, it's only 1 block long, as you can see Varick Street. So we're at Varick Street and West Street. Again, it's a very small street, guys. Let me show you, see? So this is Varick Street, the second one on the west side. Coming up at Varick Street, Lake Street. That will be the next one, guys, the next video after I finish this one. And check it out, guys. From here you can see the Roblox building right here. That is the Roblox building, guys. Again, this is Varick Street, Lake Street. And back there, you got the behemoth. And now, guys, to finish the second Varick Street, we're gonna go through here. We're gonna go around, guys. We're gonna go around. Again, this is a short street, guys. So if you notice from here, from there to here, that's Varick Street. This becomes Lake Street. So we keep going through here. I'm gonna show you the small street, which is Varick. Again, 2 Varick, guys. Varick number 2 on the west side. And beyond that wall back there, that's Varick Street from the east side. Let me see if we can go through here without the and this thing here blocking the way, guys. So we go through here. And we're gonna finish the video, guys, in the corner where we started from, because they don't want us recording that back there. So we go through here, see? There's an embankment in here. There's a sidewalk. And now we're gonna go again in the corner back there. We're gonna go here in the corner and finish the video, guys. And this is about 4 minutes. Under 4 minutes. See? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Varick Street number 2, west side. Bye.